Hey guys, today I want to share with you this amazing technology, the odometer blocker for my BMW M3. I'm just impressed with this device, easy to install, app control, and so on. In short, let's show you the whole process from installation to testing, and let's see everything together. In the box, we have a software module, cables with their original plugs, and a blind plug. If we connect it instead of the software module, the device will be deactivated. Remove the plastic car door sill cover. Be careful when removing clips. Then remove the second plastic cover covering the system cables. There are white and dark plugs. We remove the white plug and connect it to the dark plug of our blocker, which is marked with the letter W. Then pull out the second plug and connect it to our device as well. So the connection should be in this order. It's simple, believe me, that's all. Now let's put it all together. So dark plug in the place of the dark, and a white plug in the place of the white. After installing the odometer blocker, it is necessary to activate it. We can do it from the Bluetooth application or from the steering wheel by pressing the BC button for 10 seconds. Blocker has 4 modes. You can change modes from the app or with the BC button. One turn on to the turn signal means the first mode is activated, 2 ignitions to the second mode, and etc. Mode 1, 1 or 2% of the mileage is counted. Speed indicator works. Mode 2, 30% of the mileage is counted. Speed indicator works. Mode 3, the kilometers are counted at 100. But the average consumption has stopped and is not increasing. And the mode 4, the kilometers are counted at 100. After the blocker is installed, you may notice something like this. The speedometer goes down for a second and then goes back on. Nothing is dangerous here. When you uninstall the device, everything will be as usual without any problems. Also, if you notice the check engine light is on, you can easily fix it with the system diagnostic tool. I simply deleted it. In the meantime, we have covered a lot of distance, and as you can see, the odometer does not count any kilometers. The device is working great. I highly recommend this product. If you're interested in more, below the video, there will be a site address, and take a look. You will always find something for your car. Good luck.